Which item include in domestic income or not? So dear students, when the some organization established out of country, some financial institutions, branch open in abroad, so its income do not include in national income because it do not locate in Indian domestic territory. Clear? All production units established in India, either foreigner or either Indian, so the all institutions, foreign bank, foreign firm, production goods produced in the domestic territory, then it will be included in domestic income. Clear beta? Indian embassy always include in Indian domestic territory. Clear? Dear students, which item include in national income or not? So, Indian institutions, Indian company established in abroad, so its income always include in Indian national income because it is a part of factor income from abroad. Foreign embassies income also include in national income because it is a part of factor income from abroad. Indian embassy income do not include in national income because it is a part of factor income to abroad. The foreign institutions, foreign production units income do not include in national income because it is a part of factor income to abroad. Clear beta? So that's your item include or not include in national income. For example, American embassy income, American embassy paid rent to Indian resident in India. So its income including Indian domestic income or no? So dear students, its income do not include Indian domestic income because the Japanese or the foreign embassies are part of the foreign domestic territory. So it is always include in foreign domestic income. But the foreign embassies income include in Indian national income because it is a factor income from abroad. Clear beta? So under this chapter, that's your we have discussed measurement or calculation of the national income method. We have discussed income method, precautions, expenditure method, its precautions, value added method, its precautions, problem of double counting, how to solve the problem of double counting, or which item including national income or not. So you will prepare all the questions. Dear students, I will send you question paper on 11/5/2012. The economics question paper, the weight is 30 marks and the question paper is objective type. So dear students, I repeat again, you will prepare 4 chapter in macroeconomics, lesson number 1, lesson number 2, money and banking, or lesson number 3. Clear beta? The question paper will be objective type, so you will prepare properly and you will tomorrow and today revise 2 topics. The first one is money and banking and next one is some basic concept of national income. Clear beta? If you have any doubt, any topic, then you can call me. Thank you very much.